Hello, and thank you very much for selecting food preparation and nutrition. My name is Vicky Schubert. I'm a food teacher, and I am going to be talking you through the next few slides that should hopefully answer a lot of your questions with regard to food preparation and nutrition. I would urge you to read all the information on this page, but I'm just going to give you a brief outline of what the course looks like. In Year 10, we build on things that we've learned, the knowledge and understanding, as well as skills from Key Stage 3, taking us all the way through to the end of Year 11. We focus on 5 modules. They are food safety, nutrition, food science, functional and chemical properties of food, factors affecting food and food choice, food provenance and the environment, and we end the year with a mini research project. So some of those are bunched together to spread it over 5 modules. We will have mock exams during the end of Year 10 as well as in Year 11 to help us identify where students are, their strengths and weaknesses, as well as having exam questions every week. We always give our students half-term plans, and they set out when we have exam questions, when we have knowledge organiser quizzes, when we have our practicals with suggestions for those. So it helps keep us really organised. Knowledge organiser quizzes will be once a week, and in Year 10, generally practicals are every week, bar a couple within the half term. So if we had a 6-week half term, you'd probably be doing 4 or 5 practicals. Then if we look at Year 11, the majority of Year 11 is taken up with 2 pieces of coursework. The first piece of coursework, task 1, is a food investigation. It's quite science-based, and we started in September of Year 11. It is worth a total of 15% of your GCSE, and it takes 10 school hours to complete. There we will do some research, write a hypothesis, complete some practical examination, and then we will go and see whether our hypothesis was correct or not. For task 2, you have food preparation assessment. This is worth quite a lot more, it's 35%. And we start that in November of Year 11. That's a total of 30 hours. And near the end, we have a 3-hour practical assessment where you would make 3 dishes within that 3-hour period. So that is 35%. The task 1 is 15%, so that in total is worth 50% of your final GCSE. Now the other 50% comes from the exam at the end of Year 11. It is 1 hour 45 minutes and it's split into 2 sections. Section A is worth 20 marks and they are multiple choice questions. And section B is worth 80 marks and that consists of approximately 5 questions varying in length and style. And that is bringing back all of the information that we learned in those 5 modules in Year 10 and trying to answer the questions using all of that knowledge. I will leave you to have a look through this information on this page. It just reminds you what you would study, how you'd be assessed, the skills you learn, how it fits in with other subjects and where it can take you in the future. If you have any questions that have not been answered, please don't hesitate to get in touch with myself. Again, thank you very much for looking at food preparation and nutrition, and very best of luck with your options.